Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vinod from Excel Stepper, your YouTube channel for Excel User Series 2.0. In this session, I'm about to show you how to work with concatenate function. So probably many people who are working as a HR executive need these formulas without fail. But again, sometimes concatenate or concat Office 365 function is a little complicated than compared to the newly added text join function. I call this text join function as a time saver for us, and we'll see how to handle this bit. Now when I go down to this point, this is the data that I have here, and I'm going to compare the concat with the text join. Text join plays a better role compared to concatenate. So when I deal with concatenate, if I want to join a name like this, if you see, this is way too much of a differentiality in our data that we have here. So normally we will have two names, probably three names, but some people will have a very large name like this. So if that is the case, then how do you handle this data better? How you will work around with this but in a much better way. So let's see how to do that. So to do this, I'm going to just place the cursor here, and as usual, I'm going to use the following point. If you are not a 365 user, or if you're not a 2013 user and above user, if you're a below user, you can use concat. Whether you use concat or concatenate, both of them are going to give you the same answer almost. So I'm using the latest functionality called concat, a shorter version of concatenate. Then I'm going to give Control A. If I want to select all of them, so I'll be selecting the first name, then add a space after that, get the second name, then add the space after that, and a third name, and then space after that, and finally I'll add the fourth name. So when I give an OK, you can see that the answer comes in here. Then I populate this by using our fill option. So now you can see that this data is coming like this, and if you see the formula below, the formula will be like this. So you have a lot of space in between. I'm dealing with a very small data, but again, in reality, if you are having a larger data base for the employee names, then it's going to be a very long list. In comparison, if I use the same logic using the text functionality or text join function, that's going to save a lot of time and a lot of inputs. Let's see how to do that. So I'm going to just select the range, and I'm not trying to do the text join function, and give a Control A. And you can see the number of data are very little here. We don't want to add this delimiter multiple times like we do in our concat or concatenate. So I'm going to add the delimiter once, and if there is a space in between, now you can see that it is if true default, ignores the empty space. So the data is not going to take if there is an empty space available in a list. In most of my data, the fourth column, that is the F column, is empty other than Rajdev. So that's going to be left, and I'm going to just select the first name, second name, third name, and I will select the fourth name also, but again, it's going to ignore that for me in the future. So I'm going to give a Control Enter. The same answer pops up here faster. And now you can see the data are really very nice, and it's clean and clear. So this will save a lot of time, and it will not even occupy more space for our data too. So text joint is the next best component. You can stop using concatenate or concat if you are dealing with an uncertain data like this. We are not still eradicating the usage of concat. Concat is still usable if you have a lesser data, but if you have a complex data like this, text joint is going to save a lot of time and a lot of space in your data point. So hope you enjoyed this video. This is Vinod signing out from Excel Snippet, your Excel User Series 2.0 channel. This is video number 2. Happy learning. Keep updating. Stay safe. Stay at home. Thank you so much.